All right. Back to Welcome to Beauty School, Stylist John. I am doing, I'm about to curl a molding curl style that I just did on my mannequin. Always working up my skill set, barbering, braiding, beautician. Always working at my skill daily just to better my craft. Alright, so this particular style, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mold her the way how the hair is molded. Excuse me, I'm going to curl her the way how the hair is molded. So the hair is molded this way, going in a spiral, and so that's the way I'm going to curl her. So I'm going to start off using my rat tail comb. I like this particular mold because it keeps the hair off of her face. Just got it right off of her face. There you go. Now I'm going to spray it down real good. Spray it down real good, shaper. Here we go. Okay. I'm going to curl her all around the head, just like this.
See how like it ain't really bouncing, but it's like a little thing on it, a little thing on the back of it.
And I'm just going to go right around the head, getting all the sections together.
What I'm just saying, I called it. It ain't like you know crazy. Then it's like this is just fun to do. Like it's just something like that. One of them and get a free sex on
But I'm sitting down and told it though, man. Gotta have faith in yourself.
Oh, I got it.
Man, whatever, boy. Once you get set. Ooh. Huh?
Playing with it.
What? I'm out here schooling him on his little dog. That's 2 points. I'm trying to keep it.
It's so easy. So easy.
I'll let you do that. All right, you beat me for working on him. Just come. Good, sure, just come. Does the transit people? Time. Same rules.
How much is it?
About $30. I can get it, of course. I'm using a different rate this time. There we go. Short style, motor curl by Stylist John. Short hair boot camp. Motor curl style finished. If you want to take a short hair class, you can book me at www.stylistjohn.com, 314-359-5499, or book me on my website, www.stylistjohn.com. Go to the Book Now section, go to Workshops and Classes, and book Short Hair Bootcamp. I teach a one-on-one class. I teach you how to cut the style, mold it, how to curl it, how to finish it, and also marketing to help you get more clients and help you get more clients in your chair. Book me now.